how to download and set up Google Drive in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download and set up the Google Drive for your Android application. So in order to download Google Drive, you need to go to the Google Play Store and simply search for Google Drive and then hit the search button. Now from here you will see this Google Drive option. So simply click onto this download button in order to download Google Drive. Now once your Google Drive successfully download and installed, you will need to open it. So as you can see, after the successful installation, you will see this open option. So simply click on to open option and this will launch your Google Drive. And here you can also see that you have been automatically logged in, as you are already logged in with your Google device in your phone. If you want to add another account, you can simply click onto this add another account and simply type in the email and password to add that particular account. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.